Hi everyone, Letty here. I have another not too shabby pink Halloween I Want It All bundle project. I'm going to do another quick unboxing and then we'll do 4 cards with the one kit today. Welcome back everyone. So today I have the pink Halloween I Want It All bundle from the Not Too Shabby shop. Here's their logo. I'll list a website affiliate link down in the description box below. This is one of the newest kits that has just been released from Not Too Shabby shop. This is what it'll look like when you get it. It's in a nice little bundle like this. Let's unbox it. Okay, so we have everything kind of laid out here. This kit comes with 2 paper packs, 2 coordinating packs of ephemera, 1 pack of enamel dots, and a coordinating sticker. This is a huge sticker. It's about 3 inches. And then a glitter enamel dots pack as well. And these colors do coordinate. This is called Cutesy Halloween. The colors do coordinate with both of the paper pack collections that are in this kit. So let's unbox this and let's go through each section. So we've got Halloween Coffee. This is a 6x6 paper pack. And it's going to come with 12 designs, 24 total double-sided sheets. These are the different designs. I'm showing you the fronts and the backs of each set. The yellow actually is a nice surprise with this. I knew there was going to be pink, but this yellow actually, I'm sort of digging it. And so these are the different colors and the prints, the coffee prints that are coming in this collection. I'm liking that yellow. Super cute. So again, Halloween Coffee was the first paper pack, 24 double-sided sheets. There is a coordinating ephemera pack that's called Cute Halloween Coffee, and it's super, super cute. And so let me show you a still shot of everything that comes in that ephemera pack. You've got some cats and some lattes and other coffees and balloons and cupcakes and candy corn and just so many super fun images. You also have pink and black Halloween. This is a second paper pack, 12 designs, 6x6 double-sided paper. So these are the prints, and this one is pretty much just pink, black, and white. And so super, super fun images, super cute. You've got some really neat patterns on the fronts and on the backs, witches and bats and ghosts and all kinds of just really fun, spooky Halloween images here. And again, these are the fronts and the backs of the patterns that come in this pack that's called Pink and Black Halloween. Again, 24 double-sided sheets. You do also have a coordinating ephemera pack, also called Pink and Black Halloween. This one is a little bit more spookier, a little bit more scarier. Let me show you a still shot of all of the images that come in that pack. Okay, so we've got some cats and jars and lollipops and ghosts and pumpkins and really little creepy and scary looking little skeletons and things. These are again those cutesy Halloween enamel dots. They are glitter enamel dots, and then there also is a 3-inch glitter sticker that comes with this kit. So this is again the pink Halloween I Want It All bundle that's in the Not Too Shabby shop right now. I'll have that link. I'll link it down below for you in case you want to make that purchase. Let's dive into today's project. So before we dive in, let me show you my previous project using this bundle. I did some decorated paper sacks. These are Halloween themed. They're so super cute. I'll link the tutorial at the end of this video so you can keep watching, and then the tutorial will pop up at the very end so you can click on it and then see how I made these super easy decorated paper sacks. So again, I'll have that video at the very end. So today's project is going to be 4 cards from one kit. I've already cut and prepped all of the items. I am also using the Boo Sentiments stamp set from the Not Too Shabby shop for that Boo little sentiment right there, as well as this other one that says Happy Boo from me to you. So those are the Boo Sentiment stamp set from Not Too Shabby I'll also be using. But again, I've already cut up everything that I'll need for my 4 cards, and I'm going to assemble them on camera with you today. For this card, I'm pretty much using scraps. I'm using some paper strips that are 1 by 5 inches and some holographic cardstock that's 1 1/4 by 5 1/4. That holographic cardstock is one of my favorites. It's the one from Joann's, but just as a heads up, I think I saw the exact same kind at Dollar Tree. So I saw it in like a small pack of 8 sheets for $1.25, which is a pretty good deal because it's a very thick cardstock. So just in case you are at the DT and you are looking for that holographic cardstock, you might find it if you're not able to find it at Joann's. Now this Halloween bundle had been sold out, but I believe Jamie did get some new restock in stock. So you'll definitely want to hop over to the Not Too Shabby shop if this is a bundle that you're definitely wanting before it runs out again. And I do have a link down for it down in the description box below. It is my affiliate link, but it helps my channel grow at no extra cost to you. So what I did was I layered the 3 strips on this one and I anchored them sort of evenly on the back of the card and then finish it off with the sentiment and a piece of of ephemera. I'm going to go ahead and add some enamel dots that came in this bundle. I think they're just so super fun and the colors really worked. That was card number 1. Love that holographic shine behind these pattern papers. So fun. And I'm really liking the yellow in this paper pad. I think it's just so super fun, and it's sort of like a twist. We usually don't see a ton of yellow in the Halloween pattern papers, and so I think this is just so super fun. For this one, I'm using a series of circles. I am going to add a piece of ephemera to sort of one side of this larger die cut or circle, and I just chopped off a part of it because I'm going to have it sort of hanging off of the side of this mat. My mat is 4 inches by 5 1/4, just a standard A2 size mat, and I'm just going to put a little cluster of the 3 total circles on the front of this card. I have a very tiny one that has that little small sentiment, and then the larger one that has boo, and I did add a scalloped holographic die cut circle right behind it just for some added dimension. And then again, I will finish this card off with some enamel dots from this collection. So I'm going to put a cluster of 2 and then a cluster of 3, total for 5. So here is card number 2. Super fun. I think this is my favorite. But definitely keep track and let me know at the end which one is your favorite, but I think that one might be mine. So on this one, I'm going to go ahead and layer a little strip, and I think this is 1 3/4 or maybe 2 inches, and I'm going to layer it across the center of this A2 size mat. The A2 mat is 4 inches by 5 1/4, and instead of using a large piece of holographic paper, I am a frugal crafter. I am using my scraps of that holographic paper, and I'm going to add a small strip to the top and the bottom of that paper scrap, making it look or have the illusion that I had a large piece of holographic paper under the entire strip. I'm going to go ahead and glue that down to the front of my card, just like this, and then I'll finish it off with my embellishments, with my die cuts, my ephemera piece, my sentiments right on the front. So I'm going to put a small little bitty sentiment on the left-hand side, and then the larger piece of ephemera sort of anchored right next to it, sort of more in the center, and then I will finish it off with that boo sentiment, which is very, very cute. I'll layer it behind the scalloped holographic circle and then glue it towards the top on the right-hand side. Now, the fun twist in this bundle is that these, of course, have some pastel colors. You've got pink in this paper pad or pack, which is super fun. So I added the enamel dots. That's card number 3. So we are soaring along with these cards. I'm making a total of 4 and I'm already on my final one. So again, I'm bringing in some of my scrap strips that I had left over from my previous project. And so I'm going to glue them down to some holographic cardstock. This time I did leave the scrap strips just a tiny bit wider and the holographic cardstock also a little bit wider because I'm only able to squeeze 2 of them on the front of my card panel this time. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 1 on the left, 1 on the right, and then I will finish off the front with a small little scrap strip of paper right in the middle that is 5 1/4 tall. So I've got my 2 matted sections here that I'm putting 1 on the left, 1 on the right, and then again that middle section was not large enough to put a full matted segment, so I'm going to just put a piece of paper right here, a paper strip that's 5 1/4, and then I will finish it off with my holographic die cut scallop circle. This one's a larger one, it's about 3 inches, and I am going to add that little boo sentiment to the left hand side. But notice whenever I am sort of feeling out the ephemera piece, that cat, I did notice that I was not far enough to the left hand side, which is perfect because this metallic cardstock is very forgiving. I was able to squeeze over that sentiment and still have plenty of room to fit that little cat onto the front of my card. I'm going to add 3 of these little balloon ephemeras. These are such a nice little touch in this ephemera pack, so fun and whimsical, and I'm going to add a cluster of 3. So I'm going to do a pink one, a black one, and then another pink one. So that was just a fun little cluster of 3 balloons that came in that ephemera pack. And then I do have these 2 pieces of candy corn, or these 2 ephemera pieces of candy corn. And at first I was going to put them at the top, but then I decided to put them towards the bottom, and I feel like it still works. And then I'm going to finish it off with those enamel dots. And so I'm going to add just 3 of them, kind of sporadic there on the front. And then I'll finish off with another 2 at the top, and that'll be my card. So that's card number 4. So those were my 4 cards. Let me go ahead and come back for a full and final recap up next. So to recap, today we use the Pink Halloween I Want It All bundle from Not Too Shabby. It comes with 2 paper pads, 2 coordinating ephemera packs, 1 pack of enamel dots, and 1 very large glitter sticker. This one's about 3, maybe 3.5 inches wide. It's very, very large and very, very durable. It's very, very thick. And so that was the Pink Halloween bundle. I also brought in the Boo Sentiment stamp set from the Not Too Shabby shop. I use both of the little sentiments, the small one and the larger Boo one. If it's available, I'll link this product down below as well for you. I made 4 cards from one kit today, and you saw me assemble all 4 of the cards. I primarily used some scraps, but I also did bring in those ephemera pieces, some die cut circles, as well as stamped the 2 of the sentiments from that stamp set, and then added some enamel dots and brought in some holographic cardstock from Joann's, but I believe you can also get it at the Dollar Tree currently. So those were those 4 cards. They're so super fun, perfect for Halloween. Again, 4 cards from the one kit. This was such a fun, quick and easy project today. I also have my previous tutorial, which I'll link at the very end of this video, coming up in just a second. But again, I do also have my website affiliate link for Not Too Shabby that I'll link down below. It helps my channel grow at no extra cost to you. And again, this was the Pink Halloween I Want It All bundle from Not Too Shabby. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you got a little bit of inspiration. I hope you are getting ready for your Halloween crafting. Make sure you check out the link that I'll have down below. You can go and get this item if it's something that you're interested in. It's so super cute and it's going to be perfect for your Halloween crafting this season. Happy crafting.